Making videos on YouTube. Making videos for fun. Yeah. I don't know if you've noticed this, but I kind of enjoy making YouTube videos. I've been in a little bit of a drought lately. In this video, I want to talk about how I got started making YouTube videos, where I am right now with it, and where we could potentially go with it from here on out. Do you want to see more just crazy stuff? Slice! Don't mess with me. I'm a ninja. First of all, how did I get started making YouTube videos? As I was learning web development and starting to build projects, I wanted to do demo videos. My husband, Nat Sharp, put demo videos on his portfolio page, and that was one of the things that helped him get his current job. His manager saw one of his demo videos. He sounded very competent. He knew what he was talking about, and that was one of the things that helped him get his foot in the door. So I thought, okay, I could do that too. That sounds good. So I was posting them directly on LinkedIn. The algorithm likes it better if you post it directly. But I wanted to put them on YouTube so that I could embed them into my portfolio page, which I did. And that was working out really well, but now I had this YouTube channel and I was really enjoying making these videos. I was getting great response from people. It kind of became this vlog where I was sharing my journey, learning web development, not only learning, but also the job search process and the ups and downs of that whole roller coaster. And that was great to be able to share that journey with you and to get that feedback and that encouragement during that whole process. And also to share the joy and the celebration when I got a job. But things have kind of changed since getting a job. They really have. In terms of what I'm learning and what I'm doing at my job, I can't share it as openly because it's for my job. It's been very frustrating actually, because there are certain things in my code or different things I've learned that I would just love to share. Just like, wow, I went through this epic struggle to figure this out, and here's what happened, and here's what I did, and here's my beautiful app, and yay, everything's wonderful. But I can't do it because it's for a company and I can't just share that stuff. So I kind of gotten a little stumped, like, I want to keep making videos, but what do I do? And so I kind of got into, you know, what are a lot of people doing? Tips for how to get a job, what's better, LinkedIn or Twitter, how to network, or, you know, all this stuff. It's not as much sharing the story and the process as much as like giving advice. I don't mind giving advice, but it's really dangerous. It's safer to just share my own story and what I've done and what's happened to me, because I don't know your story. I don't know what you're going through or what your situation is. So really, how can I give you advice? I can just share what I've experienced and what I've done, and then it's up to you to kind of adapt that to your situation, kind of thing. I even started like getting into the whole YouTube hustle of making the thumbnails and the tags and the subscribe to my channel, which, you know, is kind of fun, but it's also kind of a pain. It's okay, I'll keep doing that because that's just what you do. Okay, this one is a little bit scarier. Chop the legs, stab. One thing that I tried was the live coding challenges. And it's actually kind of fun going live because I get to chat with people and it's just very energizing. But it is a little bit more stressful, obviously, because it's live. I can't cut out mistakes or cut out, like, if my kid comes wandering in screaming or something. You know, I just can't cut stuff out. And also just the timing. For example, I'm recording right now on a Saturday morning. I wouldn't necessarily live stream at this time. I can record it now and release it anytime I want. It's great to have that freedom. So the question is, where to go from here? One of my favorite parts of school was show and tell. What other weapons do I have around here? I think I've got a stash. Ha 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 ha! Raphael! Hey, I still know how to use these things a little bit. And that's kind of what YouTube is. It's like this worldwide show and tell that anyone can participate in. I suppose it's kind of like a worldwide talent show too. It's just everything. YouTube is just everything you could possibly think of. I shared my journey learning web development. I've shared my journey searching for a job and getting a job. And I want to continue sharing the journey wherever it takes me. Spoiler alert, full-time RVing. This thing is actually sharp, by the way. It's like, I think Nat sliced the Thanksgiving turkey with this one year. It's a nice thing to have around, very handy. I'm a developer, oh yeah. I'm a developer, oh yeah. Watch me code, writing code all day, yeah.